Hello everyone, let's write our first Java program. To know how to install Java Development Kit, commonly known as JDK, visit technotip.org/install-jdk. So let's get started. Open your text editor. In my case, it's simple Notepad. Save the file as welcome.java. Make sure you save your file in bin directory of your JDK installation, or set the path to work with your current working directory. Do not worry about these keywords. We are going to explain this shortly in this video. So save your file, open up the command prompt, navigate to bin directory. Java C is Java compiler followed by filename.java. Now Java space file name. So here is it. Welcome to Java. Note that Java is case sensitive. If you observe our first program, S is capital in the word string and S is again capital in the word system. Another important thing to note that file name of your Java program and the class name which contains main method are always same. So we have our first working Java program, but how does it all work? Java source program contains an extension of .java. Java C is Java compiler, and the compiled version of source code is called bytecode, and its extension is .class. Interpreter is Java, and the running programs or applications or an applet. So coming back to our simple example, let's number these lines of codes for clarity. So our first line of code is command. There are three types of commands: single line command, multi-line command, and documentation commands. Next comes class welcome. Class is a keyword, welcome is an identifier, that is name of the class. Next comes opening and closing brace. Every class definition in Java begins with an opening brace and ends with a matching closing brace. Note that there is no semicolon at the end of class definition. Main. Every Java application program must include a main method. This is the starting point for the interpreter to begin the execution of your program. A Java application can have any number of classes, but only one of them must include a main method. Public and static keyword. Public keyword is an access specifier, that is, the variables and methods can be accessed outside of main if it's declared as public. On the other hand, private members and variables cannot be directly accessed outside its class. Static keyword allows main to be called without the help of any object. This is important because main is called by Java Virtual Machine or JVM even before any objects are created. And void tells compiler that main method does not return any value. Let's write an example. Here we have two classes, class A and class first. Class A contains a method called display, which is assigned static as well as public. Using static keyword, we can access display method using its class name, that is class A, instead of its object name. So save the program, open the command prompt, navigate to bin directory javac space filename.java, java space filename. So here is it. This is a static function. Verify it with the program. So main is calling a method inside class A. Observe that the display is a method of class A and we are calling it inside class first. This is due to access specification, that is public access right to display class, display method. And we are using a.display because it is declared as static. A is class and not the object. Next comes system.out.println welcome to Java. Here system is a predefined class that provides access to the system. Out is the object's output stream that is connected to the console. Print and println. Print prints the string without new line character. Println appends new line at the end of the string. Observe here, println hello Java. This introduces /n, that is new line character at the end of hello Java. The other two lines are displayed simultaneously besides each other. Next comes string args. Args is an array of class type string. If you don't know what is an array, arrays are collection of similar objects. Args is used to receive command line arguments. To illustrate command line arguments, let's write a small program. Do not worry about command line program. We will come back to it in detail in another video. This is just to verify the concept of argument receiving or the command line arguments. If you want to verify it yourself, you can copy it and paste it in your text editor and you know how to execute it. System.out.println args of 0 plus quotes. The plus sign before the quote is used for concatenation. Args of 0, args of 1. Here the values of args of 0 and args of 1 will be printed and the characters inside quotes will be printed as it is. Save the file, open the command prompt, navigate to bin directory, compile the file, now execute it. Java space filename space arguments. 35 is args of 0, 40 is args of 1. 35 plus 40 is equal to 75. Add is the file name of the file. 10 is args of 0, 20 is args of 1, and so on.